Hey Jammers, and welcome back to the channel.
It's time for another
Disneyland Vacation Update!
And we're really excited because we only have 4 days left to go!
Woohoo!
If you're new here, please subscribe, it really helps out our channel.
If you like our Disney content, please give us a big thumbs up.
And ring the bell to be notified every time we post a new video.
So today we've started to pack, and we're really excited about a few things we're going to take along. Up next. Hey Jammers, and welcome back. So I can't believe it's only 4 days to go. The anticipation is really building in our house. So we have started packing, and we wanted to take you through a few things we're taking on the plane and also for Emily in our checked luggage. So I'll be taking you through what we're taking on the plane, and Maria is going to take you through what's inside our checked luggage for Emily. So what we're taking on the plane. So in terms of toys for Emily on the plane, I think it's important not to take too much because it'll become too hard to carry. So what we're taking is this cute little plush mini, and also something for her to chew, this Sophie the giraffe. So Emily's main source of entertainment will be this iPad with this great case we reviewed in the last Disney update video. And I'll put a link to that video somewhere up above me. So on to external hard drives. So this contains 2 hard drives, one being the main, which is an SSD G Technology drive, and also again for G Technology is a backup hard drive, which is USB 3. So on both those hard drives, I've also placed all the content needed to do great YouTube videos on the fly. So I'm also taking these 2 travel wallets. The first of which contains a chain for safety, so we can clip it to our bag in case of theft. Also, it contains our passports, our e-tickets to get on the plane, and also our visa waivers, which we need in Australia to enter the United States. And the second travel wallet contains all our hotel ticketing, our park tickets, and also our Disneyland Express tickets to get to the hotel. So last update video, I mentioned this charge case that I put together, but I didn't tell you what was inside. So let's have a look through it. So the first thing inside was this great Mophie charger, and this charger is good for all our devices, including my 15-inch MacBook Pro. So the next thing is this little suction mount, which means I can put it on the window of the plane, and if I'm allowed to, put an Osmo Pocket on it and do a time lapse of the takeoff and landing. Next, we have some essential adapters for the MacBook Pro, and also all the cables we need to charge all of our devices. And I'll put a link in the description down below of that great Mophie charger. So Maria and I are both taking a few things on the plane to freshen up, and on international flights you have to use clear packaging. And we got these great little clear package packs from the supermarket. So lastly, I'm taking a few of our smaller cameras to film our adventures on the plane. So that's it from me. Now it's over to Maria to show you what's in Emily's checked luggage.
This is what we have packed for our little Emily. We'll begin with some bath essentials. So we've got her toothbrush, hairbrush, ointments and lotions, plenty of socks and plenty of vests. We can never have too many of those, as well as plenty of nappies. We've got her swimming nappies as well, and also her swimmers. Some sunnies, and also some headbands and mini ears. We've got some pajama sets and lots of different shoes to change over. We've got blockout headphones, and also this is what she'll be wearing on the plane, a nice comfortable tracksuit. We've got different shorts here to go with the different cute little t-shirts, a sun hat, and whilst this looks like many outfits to change over, you can never have too many with a little toddler. Having said that, we are definitely going to buy her a lot more outfits at the parks. And so there you have it. This is Emily's little suitcase. Packing for a toddler food-wise can be quite challenging and tricky, especially if you've got a little fussy eater like our Emily. So we've decided to pack some food items, different food choices and also snacks. We've even packed her milk in a powder form and also her breakfast porridge. Her Sophie the giraffe is a great teething remedy since she's a teething little toddler. We have some baby wipes and some bowls, spoons and forks. Now these silicone bibs are great because, as I mentioned, the material is silicone. They are great to fold and easy to keep clean. So there you have it, food packing for a fuzzy eater.
So Jammers, the next time you hear from us will be the morning that we leave. Until then, please subscribe, ring the bell and give us a big thumbs up. So everyone, have an awesome day, and that's Jam Life, signing out.